Dirt Trax is sponsored by Yamaha. Yamaha is the first name in motorsports.
Over the past few weeks of Trail Techs, we've been taking you on a behind-the-scenes, very exclusive look at how an aftermarket exhaust is designed, fabricated, and manufactured. 2 weeks ago, we showed you how a company like MBRP benchmarks a stock exhaust system. After dyno testing to baseline horsepower and the ultra-cool flow bench back pressure testing, the very technical, and my personal favorite, 3D optical scanning of the stock exhaust and bodywork gives the designers at MBRP the hard data they need to jump into CAD design and ensure the product they design will fit. This virtual production ensures nearly perfect fit and also allows the crew to review different design styles prior to taking the exhaust to fabrication, saving both time and money and ensuring only the best options get through to fabrication. The computerization process is changing everything we come in contact with in this day and age, and a company like MBRP utilizes things such as the 3D optical scanning to not only create product quicker, but with greater precision. Following the CAD mock-ups, the rubber truly hits the road, and prototype designs must go to fabrication. With a company like MBRP, nothing needs to be outsourced, as on-site the company has all the material, manpower, and manufacturing capability to design everything from a side-by-side exhaust to a full diesel truck system. Nothing stands in the way of production, and the team at MBRP has all tools necessary to manufacture the best quality exhaust and exhaust products in the business. Figuring out the exact design that will go to final production requires more hard testing. After dyno and flow benching, the techs at MBRP will be able to figure out exactly what works and what falls by the wayside. In the end, 2 different versions of the exhaust have been taken to final production. The true dual system utilizes a new head pipe and exits one on each side. While horsepower is up on this setup, it's not significant. After talking with Chris Doble from MBRP, he informed me that the stock head pipe on the XP900 works very well and utilizes the scavenging effect of the ProStar motor to help suck the spent charge out of the engine and move the exhaust out of the system quicker, therefore increasing flow and horsepower. If you completely remove the muffler on your XP900, you're going to gain about 7 horsepower, which means that this motor really likes to flow freely. But with sound emissions being so important these days, keeping as much of that 7 horsepower as possible while still staying sound legal is what's truly important. The double stack system uses 2 4-inch housings that are extremely free-flowing and also keeps the stock head pipe. On the dyno, it runs 5 horsepower above the stock system and stays at 96 decibels. While other systems out there typically use a 5-inch diameter or larger single housing and go over on legal decibels, the dual 4-inch MBRP design is able to stay under the radar. It's truly the best bang for your buck, and while it does stay legal in the sound department, when you get on the throttle, you know it's not stock. With both of our MBRP Razor exhaust systems complete, the true test is to take them out on the track and see how they feel. Stay tuned to upcoming episodes where I'm going to do just that and show you what the MBRP Advantage is all about.